will be showing you how to contour and highlight your face in just a few easy steps. Takealot has a great range of products and they sent me some of my favorites. So let's get started. To firstly prime and moisturize my face for better makeup application, I am going to be using the Skoon Photolite Beauty Aid Moisturizer. To create an even uniform color to my complexion, I am going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear in the shade Hazelnut. To highlight and contour my face, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible Modern Concealer. I'm firstly going to start with the shade Caramel to highlight under my eye and also to apply it on the bridge of my nose. To contour my nose and also my cheeks, I'm going to be using a concealer that is 2 shades darker than my actual foundation. It is the L'Oreal Infallible Modern Concealer in the shade Chestnut. To set my highlight and also to set my contour, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Lost in Fix Loose Setting Powder. To bring back definition and color to my face, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Master Highlight and Contour Bronze. And lastly, to bring back some glow into my cheeks, I'm going to be using this shade. That is it for today's tutorial. Remember, if you want to pick up any of these products, head to takealot.com. Thank you so much for watching. Catch more of these easy makeup tutorials right here on Beauty Base.